If you want to connect printer on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to settings on your phone. And once you open settings, then over here we should be able to simply go to connected devices, and then over here open connection preferences. Now here in connection preferences you should be able to find the printing option, so let's go ahead and open this. And we can first go to the default print service and begin with that. To see if we can find our printer over here on this list. If you manage to find your printer, then of course you should be able to select it and connect the printer to your phone. Now in case you cannot find it over here, you can just go back and go to add service, and then you can try to download any of the additional services or plugins, and that in theory should help you find your printer and connect it to your phone. So you want to choose the manufacturer of your printer over here and get the plugin. Now in case even with the plugin you cannot really connect your printer, then what you can also do is you can check the manual of your printer and you can try to find any information about the app that you need to download in order to get a printer, because there are some cases where printers require you to download very specific apps, and unfortunately I cannot really tell you which app you need to get for your printer because, well, for every printer it's a different answer. So you just want to check the manual if possible and try to find the information over there. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.